If you're living in the USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand, or Europe, and you're serious about building long-term wealth without gambling your hard-earned money, this video is for you. We're not just dropping a random ETF list. We're giving you a powerful, time-tested strategy that smart investors are already using to grow their money while they sleep. And guess what? If you stick around till the end, there's a special bonus waiting just for you, something that could shift your entire financial game. What you'll learn in this video. Clear, punchy points 1. Top 5 long-term growth ETFs that can help you become financially free by 2030. 2. How much to invest in each ETF, based on real-world strategy. 3. Which ETF is best for your region? Tailored tips for US, UK, AUS, and EU investors. 4th. Step-by-step beginner-friendly plan, even if you've never invested before. 5. And a secret bonus strategy at the end. Normally shared only with our inner circle, don't skip. Every second of this video could be the turning point in your financial journey. Watch till the end and unlock a special offer that's going to help you grow smarter, not harder. You're instantly investing in 500 of the biggest companies in America, including Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and more. It's like buying a small slice of the entire US economy. Diversified, low-cost, and historically proven. Over the last 10 years, VOO has delivered an average annual return of around 12%. That's the kind of compounding that builds serious wealth over time. Who's it for? Perfect for beginners, busy professionals, and even advanced investors. Ideal if you want to set it and forget it, while your money works behind the scenes. Great for those living abroad, UK, AUS, EU, who want exposure